Ever dream of becoming a cybersecurity ninja? Dodging firewalls, infiltrating networks, wearing all black? Wait, is that last one just Hollywood?
Hey, it's not Nick Shaw.
Look, the truth is, the world of cybersecurity is exciting, challenging, and in high demand. But let's be honest, not everyone has a top secret government clearance or $1 million cyber defense system at their disposal. The good news, my fellow co-crusaders, is that you don't need a fancy job or a basement full of blinking lights to gain valuable cybersecurity experience. That's right. On the Blaxploit Network, we're all about helping you hack your way into the world of cybersecurity, all from the comfort of your own home or coffee shop, or wherever you like to conquer the digital frontier. So ditch the daydreams and hit that subscribe button faster than you can say phishing scam. We are about to dive deep into the world of cybersecurity experience without the need for a real job, unless your real job involves, actual hacking, which might be a problem. Let's get started. Alright. Enough of those daydreams about becoming a cybersecurity legend. Time to wake up and build your own home virtual lab. Think of it as a digital playground for grown-ups, except with way less finger paint and a whole lot more learning about how to outsmart cyber criminals. Building your own lab lets you customize it to your needs. Think phishing attacks, malware infections, the whole 9 yards. But before you jump in, here's a pro tip. Make sure your lab is on a completely isolated network. We don't want any accidental collateral damage. Like taking down your grandma's internet while you're practicing. Popular software like VirtualBox and VMware allow you to create an internal network for this purpose. Look for it, use it, and keep grandma happy. Now, once you've got your secure playground set up, it's time to unleash your inner hacker. Ethically, of course. Platforms like VulnHub offer virtual machines with preloaded vulnerabilities. These are like puzzles waiting to be solved, and by solving them, you learn how hackers exploit real-world systems. So conquer those VulnHub boxes, master those virtual labs you build, and document your journey. Every challenge you overcome, every vulnerability you identify, adds valuable experience to your cybersecurity arsenal. And speaking of arsenal, how do you showcase this newfound experience on your resume?
I don't know.
Simple. Create a dedicated section titled Security Lab Experience or Vulnerability Assessment Projects. List the specific labs you built or the software you used like VirtualBox or VMware, the skills you practiced, and any noteworthy achievements. Alright, so you've been diligently practicing in your VirtualBox lab, breaking into VulnHub boxes, but the thirst for knowledge is never quenched, right? That's where these other platforms come in, like a buffet of cybersecurity goodness. Second up, we got Cyber Defenders. Think of them as your personal network security bootcamp. Firewalls, intrusion detection systems. They'll throw everything at you, virtually of course. It's like building your own digital castle, except way cooler and less likely to get overrun by peasants with pitchforks. Now, if you're feeling a little more adventurous, check out malwaretrafficanalysis.net. This website lets you get up close and personal with real-world malware samples, like dissecting a digital bug. Don't worry, these bugs are safely contained, but analyzing them will give you a sneak peek into the dark underbelly of the internet without actually having to go there, unless you want to, but I wouldn't recommend it. So you've conquered virtual labs, aced those VulnHub boxes, and became a malware analysis maestro. But how do you translate all this virtual glory into resume gold? Easy peasy. Create a dedicated section titled Security Lab Experience or Vulnerability Assessment Projects. List the platforms you mastered, like Cyber Defenders for network security and malwaretrafficanalysis.net for, well, you get the idea. But don't just list them, because let's be honest, a resume is like a first date. First impressions matter. Briefly describe the skills you honed and the challenges you conquered. Did you learn to build impenetrable firewalls? Did you identify the nastiest malware signatures? Every detail showcases your proactive approach to cybersecurity and makes you stand out from the crowd. Remember, recruiters are looking for passionate individuals who take initiative and constantly learn. By showcasing your virtual experience, you're sending a clear message. You're ready to hack your way into a cybersecurity career with or without a fancy job title. Alright, so we've been training in our virtual labs, dissecting malware like digital chefs, and generally feeling pretty awesome. But sometimes you just gotta test your skills against the real deal, right? That's where Forage comes in. Think of Forage as your cybersecurity gym membership. They offer real-world security challenges faced by companies, all neatly packaged in these interactive exercises. You'll be filtering spam emails like a pro, hardening security policies like a digital blacksmith, and feeling the thrill of the hunt as you track down vulnerabilities. Just minus the whole grunting and sweating it out at the gym part.
There's a lot going on here.
The best part, you can actually document your Forage experience on your resume and make recruiters do a double take. Create a section titled Hands-on Cybersecurity Training or something equally impressive. List Forage cybersecurity challenges and briefly describe the types of exercises you completed. Did you identify phishing attempts, harden system configurations? Every detail screams proactive and ready to tackle real-world threats. And hey, who knows? Maybe your performance on Forage will even catch the eye of a company and land you your dream cybersecurity job. Stranger things have happened. Just don't tell your boss you were training whilst browsing the internet at work. Alright, so we've been crushing virtual labs, dissecting malware like digital surgeons, and flexing our cybersecurity muscles on platforms like Forage. But what if you want to build your own digital playground from scratch? Enter Pocket Tracer, the ultimate network construction kit for aspiring cyber warriors. Think of it as Legos for nerds, but way awesomer because it lets you build and configure entire networks, routers, switches, firewalls, you name it, Pocket Tracer has it. You can practice setting up secure connections, troubleshoot network problems, and even simulate cyber attacks in a completely safe environment. Just don't worry, the only thing exploding here is your knowledge of network security. And the best part, Pocket Tracer is actually free for students and educational institutions, so you can hone your skills without breaking the bank. Unlike those fancy hacker movies that make it look like all you need is a hoodie and a basement. Now, how do you showcase this newfound mastery of the digital network universe on your resume? Easy. Create a section titled Technical Skills or Network Security Fundamentals. List Pocket Tracer network simulation and briefly describe the types of projects you completed. Did you build secure networks, simulate cyber attacks, and implement countermeasures? Every detail demonstrates your understanding of network security concepts and your ability to apply them in a practical setting. Remember, recruiters are looking for individuals who are curious, resourceful, and take initiative. By showcasing your Pocket Tracer experience, you're sending a clear message. You're ready to tackle the challenges of the cybersecurity world with or without a fancy job title. The point is, with virtual labs, platforms like Forage, and a whole lot of dedication, you can gain valuable cybersecurity experience. Alright, so you've built virtual empires in Pocket Tracer, outsmarted malware on Forage, and basically became a cybersecurity whiz. But what if you crave some real world experience? Like, the kind that doesn't involve dissecting digital bugs in your pajamas. Well, fret no more, my friend, because the world of volunteering awaits. Many cybersecurity organizations offer volunteer opportunities where you can put your skills to good use and gain valuable experience. Think of it as your chance to be a cybersecurity superhero, saving the day one volunteer hour at a time. You could be assisting with security awareness training, helping nonprofits strengthen their defenses, or even participating in cyber defense competitions. And the best part, volunteering looks fantastic on your resume. Create a dedicated section titled Volunteer Experience or Community Involvement. List the organizations you volunteered with and briefly describe the projects you participated in. Did you help raise cybersecurity awareness? Did you assist with security audits? Every detail showcases your passion for the field and your willingness to go the extra mile, even without getting paid. Remember, recruiters love to see candidates who are passionate and give back to the community. By volunteering with a cybersecurity organization, you're demonstrating your commitment to the field and building valuable connections that could lead to future opportunities. So what are you waiting for? Suit up cybersecurity volunteer style and get out there to make a difference. Alrighty, cyber warriors, by now your brain is probably overflowing with awesome cybersecurity knowledge, like a metaphorical sponge that just went swimming in a pool of information. Don't worry, that's a good thing. But hey, guess what? You're not gonna find all these fancy websites and platforms I mentioned just lying around like digital breadcrumbs. That's why I, the benevolent Damon Black, have stashed the links to all this goodness in the video description, like a digital treasure chest overflowing with knowledge gems. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button faster than you can say cryptocurrency crash. Seriously, hit it like your cybersecurity career depends on it. Because, well, it kinda does. Don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And leave a comment below letting me know what other cybersecurity tips and tricks you'd like to see. Until next time, stay safe out there in the digital jungle.